Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change the font size on a Word document on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, Mac Office, Microsoft Word. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, open up Word, open up a blank document, increase the size of the Word document. Let's now type something. Highlight to change the font size. Go to Home. We see font size is currently 12. Now we need to increase to, let's say, 48. And that's how you change the font size. Once again, 48, let's just decrease 22, increase 36. That's how simple and easy it really is to change the font size if that's what you're trying to do. So we can now quit Word, don't save. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.